Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today we are in Little Beaver State Park. Really nice little park here in southern West Virginia. Not a ton of amenities other than a really nice bathhouse, and I think probably a shower house and laundromat and stuff like that. But we're here to work on this little travel trailer behind me. Another RV service in another state told him he needed an eyebrow board for his refrigerator, that it was bad. So they didn't have time to get the part before they had to leave, so now they're here for a week, and I actually have a couple of eyebrow boards. They're not the correct color, but I don't think they'll care what color the eyebrow board is as long as the fridge works. So let's go in here, show you what I found thus far. So strangely enough, it is an RM 2662. When I got here, we had no lights on the eyebrow board. We had a light in the refrigerator, and the refrigerator was not working. I played with the buttons, turned on and off a bunch of times. Oh, battery's getting ready to die. I gotta go get the battery. Okay, got the battery changed. Like I was saying, I just punched buttons, on, off, and auto, and the gas switch, and run the temperature switch, and by doing nothing, all of a sudden, me and the customer was talking, looked around, I was like, it's working, but it was blinking. All the lights were blinking really fast. Now they're on solid. The fridge is actually working. It is heating up in the back. It's on electric, and it's starting to heat up, but still something funny with this eyebrow board. So I'm gonna switch it out, and we'll just watch it while I got something else to do. This, we'll just watch it and see what happens. To get this eyebrow off here, I can't show you. There's take your knife, and there's two tabs up in here. You push those tabs, well, the door hinge bolt's coming out. Oh, gonna make it a little difficult to get this eyebrow board off here. Yeah, very difficult actually. So I can get that hinge bolt run down there. Well, isn't that special? I think it's going down. No, it's not. Let's see if I can work it out there. I won't break it. Oh, I wasn't turning it. I got to go get a 10mm wrench, run that bolt down so I can get that eyebrow board, the whole cover off. Okay, I got that hinge bolt run down, so now I should be able to get this thing off. As you can see, it's still rather tight. Let's just, for grins and giggles, let's make sure that I have a correct replacement. I got a used one, and I have a brand new one. Let's make sure it is the right one. I know it's the wrong color, but they didn't care what color it was. They said it could be pink for all they cared. Now it is different because it doesn't have the temperature, so I am actually not sure if that's going to work. The old one's got a 6-pin connector on it. This one has a 6-pin connector. I mean, for right now, this one's working. I mean, I've messed with it, and the lights have never blinked. I don't know if one of the switches was just wonky, and I turned it on and off enough times, and I'm gonna do it some more. I turned it off, and then I'm gonna do these other switches. Turn it back on. And there we got the blinkies. See if it stops blinking. So I did this a while ago. They were blinking really fast, and then they might go off, and then they might come back on solid. Okay, since I fool with the buttons again and it's blinking, let's go and try this eyebrow board, see if it'll work at all. See, it's got everything except the temperature adjustment. We can always get the correct one if this acts like it will work. Let's turn it on. Put on auto. It is solid. No blinkies. And I did go around back a while ago and check. So I mean, the fridge hadn't been on probably less than 10 minutes, and already the flue was getting hot, so it was working. I have no doubt that it will cool. I think we're just gonna have to get the correct eyebrow board. I can put this one in temporarily, and so they can at least use the fridge. Yeah, I think it'll go work. It's physically the right size. Yeah. Yeah. Should. It actually just snaps in this cover, I believe. Just got like 6 tabs that holds it in the cover. There we go. Just pops out. Should be able to just pop the new one in. Snappity, snappity, snap. We'll snap this cover back on. Let's turn it the right way. Good thing y'all were watching. Okay. Well, that's actually probably gonna be it on this one. I didn't know what we were gonna get involved in, but I fired the camera up, and I'd say it's working. I'll know here in a little bit. I got some other things to do. That's gonna be a separate video. So that's gonna be it for this one. Check out the commercial immediately following this video, if you don't mind, please. It's about my service, the Help Me Hillbilly. So that's gonna be it for this one. We'll fire the camera up here in a minute. Got another job, really a job I hate to even tell y'all about, because I'm embarrassed. So y'all wait till next time for that video. Y'all have a fantastic day, and we'll catch you next time. Does your RV have you stumped? Need a little help from an RV pro? Got a problem that's just a little too tough for you to handle on your own? Introducing helpmehillbilly.com. The Hillbilly Helpline is here when you need it most. All you need is a basic knowledge of electricity, a test meter, some mechanical ability, and basic tools. We'll walk you through it via Zoom or FaceTime. Just $89.95 a call up to 1 hour. Pay easily through Venmo or PayPal. Get help the Hillbilly way. Turns out that part for the refrigerator is obsolete or discontinued, is what Dometic's website said. Tried Dometic. I tried my main supplier that I've been using for 27 years, and the part was just not available. Discontinued, obsolete. So I ended up ordering one from Amazon. I was hoping it was just a leftover Dometic part. Turned out it was a straight up Chinesium part, and shocker, pulled it out of the box, plugged it into the fridge, didn't work. But the guy was perfectly happy with the brown one that I put in there, so I just charged him for the brown one, which I hadn't done yet, and I returned the Chinesium one to Amazon, and everybody's happy. Fridge is working. We got everything going in the camper except for the inverter. So that was it on that one. What? That was that on this one. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.